Ever dreamt of ditching the big banks and finding a financial partner designed specifically for freelancers and business owners? Well, hello and welcome to your channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Lili Bank, a new player on the block promising a more convenient and business-minded banking experience. But before you jump ship from your traditional bank, there's a burning question we need to answer. Is Lili Bank even a real bank? Let's face it, the whole fintech world can feel a little shady. New companies pop up all the time, promising revolutionary financial products, but often leave us wondering if our hard-earned money is safe. So, is Lili Bank just another flash in the pan, or is it the real deal? Strap yourselves in, because we're about to crack the code on Lili Bank. Fintech friend or foe? First things first, let's unpack this whole fintech thing. Fintech stands for financial technology, and it basically refers to companies that use technology to deliver financial services. Think online banking apps, mobile payment platforms, even some robo-advisors for investing. They're all part of the fintech revolution, aiming to make managing your money faster, easier, and dare we say, sexier than traditional banks. But here's the catch, not all fintech companies are created equal. Some, like Venmo for example, are fantastic for splitting a pizza bill with friends, but wouldn't be your go-to for managing a business. That's where Lili Bank comes in. Lili, a different kind of bank. Lili Bank positions itself as a financial platform specifically designed for freelancers and business owners. They offer features like expense tracking, tax categorization tools, and easy invoicing, all integrated right into their mobile app. Sounds pretty handy, right? But here's where things get interesting. Lili Bank itself isn't actually a bank. That's right, you read that correctly. Lili operates as a financial technology company that partners with established banks to provide the actual banking services. So, your money isn't sitting in some obscure Lili vault, it's securely held by a partner bank, typically Choice Financial Group or Sunrise Banks. This is a key point to remember. While Lili might not be a bank itself, it leverages the security and reliability of FDIC-insured institutions. This means your funds are insured for up to $250,000, just like they would be at any traditional bank. So, can you trust Lili Bank? Now that we've cleared up the whole real bank question, let's get down to brass tacks. Can you trust Lili Bank with your hard-earned cash? Here's the thing, trust is a two-way street. Lili has partnered with reputable banks, offers FDIC insurance, and boasts a user-friendly mobile app with features specifically designed for business owners. That's a strong foundation for trust. But ultimately, the decision comes down to your own comfort level. Do some research on Lili Bank, read customer reviews, and see if their features align with your business needs. Remember, you can always start with a small amount of money in your Lili account to test the waters before going all in. So, is Lili Bank a real bank? Technically, no. But that doesn't mean it's not a legitimate and secure option for managing your business finances. Lili offers the convenience and features of a fintech company with the security and reliability of a traditional bank through its partnerships. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But if you're a freelancer or business owner looking for a more streamlined banking experience, Lili Bank is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.